Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the sort method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. Now the sort method sorts the items of an array, exactly as the title says. Also, the sort order can be either alphabetic or numeric, and either ascending, so up, or descending, which means down. Okay, so let's create a really quick array of fruits. So let's say banana, orange, apple, and a mango. Now let me create here a very quick variable of sort fruits, which is going to execute the fruits dot sort method. Okay, so now if I would console log sort fruits, we're going to get apple, banana, mango, and oranges in a alphabetic order. Now let's take a look at a more complex example. So let's create a const of users. I'm going to set this to an array, and this array will have an object of users or multiple objects of users with name Arabella. She's going to have an age of 20, a income of 400. Okay, now the next couple of users I'm just going to copy in. They're going to be 3 more users. Here this, and we're having one too many comma there. So we're having a user array of objects, and each object has a name, age, and income. Okay, now we're going to create 3 different arrays from this array, and we're going to extract their names, their ages, and their income using the map method. So let's create a const of get users name, which is going to grab onto the users array dot map. So use the map method, is going to return a user dot name, and the same thing we're going to do for age. Going to return the age and then the income. Okay, so basically we have 3 arrays now, which each of them returns something different from our original array. Now down here we're going to create a function which is going to just return that a test array, and is going to apply the sort method to it. So each time we're going to, let's first of all create that function. So const sort array. Now we're going to pass in here within an arrow function the test array. So whatever array is going to pass in here is going to be passed in here, is going to be executed, and a console log of that test array dot sort will be then executed. Now let's call upon that function, so sort array, and let's pass in here our first array of get user names, which should return now the names in an alphabetic order. Now as you can see, you know what, let me change this up. Let's put Arabella down here because Arabella starts with an A. So we have Karina, Norbert, Arabella, and Laura, and down here we have them sorted in an alphabetic order. Now we can do the same thing for ages. Boom. And now instead of 16, 35, 20, and 14, we're going to have 14, 16, 20, and 35. And we can do the same thing for income, of course. We should just sort the income in a descending order. Or is it ascending? Yes, it's ascending actually. Okay, so that's pretty much it for sort. Hope you enjoyed it and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.